This catamaran came to us, the owner had a problem with it leaking slowly. What happened was, the boat, last time it was lifted, which was over a year ago, in a different boatyard to the one here, the boat was not supported on the keels, which is what a catamaran should be. It was supported on the hull. This is okay for motorboats, but for catamarans it's totally wrong. You see, the way a catamaran is made, well, they make the hull in two halves, and then they basically stick them together.
Oh, okay.
And what happens when you get this sort of stress is that the join where the two hull halves are meeting can separate, can crack, especially in an older boat.
All the way.
Oh yes.
Yeah, all the way. So the stress has buckled the hull all the way and goes to the keel.
Okay, so what you need to do is, if you're good enough, if we take back an area like that,
Yeah.
all the way back,
Yeah.
and then we'll epoxy, we'll grind it back a bit more, we'll epoxy tape it. Yeah, what we're going to be doing is, once we've opened up and cleaned up all the areas that are suspect, we should know where we're going, and then we'll start using epoxy and fiberglass tape to reinforce the hull and replace the holes and patch those, so that we end up with a boat that's probably stronger than when it was built.
Okay, so that's, Michael, that's about where it was damaged, and so you had to take out a piece of the hull, and now you're going to be replacing. Oh, okay. So that's the piece you took out.
In my diary,
There's damage here all the way to the keel.
Tell me again what the problem was.
I'm going to basically get rid of the anti-foul here,
Oh, right.
and then sand back, ready for repair.
Alright, so what have you been doing the last couple of days?
Just done the repair on the hull. We've cut out, say, the damaged sections here, repaired the damaged sections, and then bonded them back in using epoxy and heavyweight glass.
Yeah, so you had to do the entire seam.
The entire seam here, which has got glass underneath it, then epoxy filler, say, and then we're going to put the epoxy material over.